Hey guys, welcome back to Make Way with the Morleys. I'm going to start off this video by saying apologies for not uploading anything last week. The month of November has been pretty busy for us. For me in particular, I've been working away quite a bit and I was really frustrated because we'd done 3 uploads in November and it came to the last one and unfortunately I just missed the deadline. So sorry about that, but we're back. I know whenever I say I'm sorry for missing a deadline, everybody says, oh, don't worry about it, we know life's busy, blah 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 blah, but it's just a little frustrating. So we've not been away in the caravan since October half term. We did want to show you some of that trip, but unfortunately we didn't really get much footage. However, here's a short montage of some of the stuff that we filmed and what we got up to whilst we were away at Cirencester. Hey guys!
Hi!
Welcome back to Make Way with the Morleys. And today, what's today? Today's Friday, isn't it?
Oh yeah, it is. I thought it was Thursday. Lost today.
Lost today. So we're on site. We're away. We're in Cirencester at the Caravan and Motorhome Club site there. We came down yesterday afternoon.
Without the children.
Without the children. Met up with some friends and had a few drinkies last night. And the kids are arriving hopefully any time now, so they can join us for some fun. We're gonna have a walk into Cirencester, get some sweets, and we'll see how we get on. Oh no, Liv, can you not get them? Yay!
Sweet shop.
So we've just arrived at Westonbirt, the National Arboretum. Let's see what fun we can get up to today. What can you hear? What you got, Isla? Sausages. So last weekend we went down south to visit some friends. Unfortunately not in the caravan. We did get a chance to go and visit Father Christmas on a miniature railway in Woking. Now we've got quite an exciting end to the year, or at least I think it's fairly exciting. In a couple of weeks time we're going live for the very first time. That will be on Thursday the 21st of December at 8 PM. We've got a tiny announcement to make in that video. If you've got any questions you want answering on that live stream, hit us up with some comments below. You can contact us through Twitter, just search at MWWTMS if you don't follow us on there. If you click on the About page on our YouTube channel, there is a link to an email address. You can send us an email and that will get to us, and I'll read through all of those before we go live and pick out maybe some of the questions. And then to round up the year, we'll have a year-end review of all the things we've got up to, some of the highlights we've had in 2017, and maybe some plans going forward into 2018. Now, summer holiday is still up, a little bit up in the air. Not sure what we're going to do. We do really want to get up to Scotland, and I'm not sure whether we're going to do that at Easter or whether we're going to go for the summer. We're still a bit undecided yet as to what we're going to do for our summer holiday. So we'll keep you posted on that. Until next week, we'll see you soon. Thanks very much for watching. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. Click subscribe if you've not already done so. And we'll see you soon for another video. Cheers.